Good afternoon, friends. Please subscribe my Telegram channel. Go to the search box and type target for Grand League so that you will get my channel. And please subscribe my channel, friends, because so that you can get information if there is any change in the lineups, and I will give you the information of the new players. And we will see the today's match in between CYM Wens and NCT. So let's check the stats of the wicket keepers. Jet Server. Jet Server is a very good batsman and technical batsman. He can score huge runs, and please keep him as a main player. Don't miss him in mini leagues and head-to-head matches. A Ali is a low middle order batsman, and he will, if there is a chance, he can bowl 1 hour or 0 hours. And Vaikan is in excellent form. He is scoring very good runs like 60 runs and 50 runs, 70 runs. So don't miss him also. And Patirani, if he is there in this match, it's your choice to keep him or not, because he is very low middle order batsman. He will not bowl also. So it's your choice to keep him and Patirani or not. And let's see the stats of batsman. R. Manzumdar. R. Manzumdar is, I would say, good opening batsman. He can score 50 to 20 runs. If you want to take him in small leagues, you can take him. C. Sadhuan is an excellent player. Excellent player. He scored very well in the night match, 60 runs. If you want, if he is there in this match, please go through with him, because he is the opener of CYM. And Amkan. Amkan is also a most experienced player and good player, and he will bowl also. So he played very crucial role in the yesterday's match. Like, he scored very well in 60 runs. He took crucial wickets in the depth overs. So don't miss him. Amkan is a most important player. A. Jamil is a very good opening pair, but he is not there in previous matches. If he is there in this match, it's your choice to take him or not. M. Hussain is the most experienced player also. He is the captain of CYM, and he will come as a two down batsman, and he will score, and he will also bowl. And please consider him. M. Khan and M. Hussain is a good pair batting combination, so don't miss him. And Asul Hassan is a good all-rounder. He is there in batting order, but he is a good all-rounder. He will not bat, but he will bowl 2 hours, and he will take 1 to 2 wickets. And Jay Hassan is if he is there in this match, if you want to take him, you can go with him, because he will not come to bat, but he will bowl 1 hour only if there is any chance. And we will check the all-rounder stats. G Singh, as you know, is the most important player. He is a very good attacking batsman, and he will bowl 2 hours. If you want to take him, please take him as a captain or vice captain. And Aijaman is also good hitter, and is the opening batsman. If there is a chance, he will open the innings also. He is a good hitter, and six hitting machine runs, and six hitting runner. And please consider him also in a playing team. And A Hussain also a good player and good bowling option and batting option. We can go through with him. And M. Ranimekala also a good player. If there is a chance, he will come as a low middle order, so he will not bowl. If you want to take him, you can take him. G Sharma, as I said, previous videos, you can see in my previous videos, like I said, G Sharma is a very important player. So he played a very crucial role in yesterday's night match. He took 3 wickets. If you want to check the stats, you can go to fan code and check his stats yesterday's match night. He took 3 wickets. Please, he is the main player. I don't know that he will come as a batting order or not, but he will bowl 2 hours, and he will take crucial wickets. Please consider him as a player. R. Hassan is a very good player and good opening, and he will open the innings, and he will bowl 2 hours. Friends, don't miss him, because he is an excellent player. And B. Ahmad, we can't say that he is a good player or not, because his stats are very average. L. Singh is a very good bowler. If he is there in this match, you can take him as a bowling side. And R. Polori, if he is there in this match, he will play only batting role only. He will not bowl. And Alanki is a very crucial bowler. If he is there in this match, please consider him as a bowling option only, not batting option. F. Ahmad. F. Ahmad is a spinner, and he will bowl in the middle order. If there is a chance, he will come as a 2 down or 3 down batsman, and he is very technical and good batsman. A. Manan also a very good batting option and bowling option. So please go through with F. Ahmad and A. Manan as a combination in the bowling option. And R. Kumar. As you know, R. Kumar is a very excellent player. He will bowl in the depth overs, and he will take crucial wickets. You can go through with him as a captain also. He will come as a batting order in 3 down or 4 down also. Yamin is also a good player. He can bowl 2 hours and he can take one or two wickets. And Al Tasmin is the NCT bowler who bowls very confirmly like 2 hours. So go through with him. And Gangapreet Singh is also Gurvinder Singh also a good player. If he is there in this match, you can go through with him. But my option is don't go through with him because there is CYM has a lot of bowling option, so that my option is if he will not bowl. If you want to take him, so you can go through with him. Wakar Ali is a good player and good batting option and bowling option. But yesterday's previous match, he didn't bowl 2 hours, so he came as then 3 down batsman. It's your choice to go through with him or not. And Fmaya is a captain of NCT, but he is the part-time bowler. He will come as a batting order, and there is a lower chance to come him as a batting order. K. Razia he will bowl 1 hour and he will come as batting at fifth down or sixth down. Kajwala also is a very good player and he will take crucial wickets if he is there in this match. Please consider him as a player. Now I will show the main players from CYM NCT and I will give you the options for captain and vice captain choices also. So I will show the picks of the every team. CYM main players are M Khan. As I said, he is the opener and he will bowl 2 hours. M Hussain also good player. Gursavik Singh is a main player. R Kumar, as I said, he will bowl in the depth overs and he will take crucial wickets. Jet Server, he can open the innings and he is a good technical batsman. G Sharma, as I said, he will not bat but he will bowl 2 hours. So please take him as a main player also. Captain and vice captain choices are Gursavik Singh, R Kumar, M Khan from my side. And if you want to take him M Khan also, you can go through with him. And NCT main players are Y Khan, Asul Hassan, A Hussain, I Jamin, A Manan, R Hassan, and my captain vice captain choices are Asul Hassan, A Hussain, I Jaman, Y Khan. And I will give you the options to play the leagues also. Please play in the Grand League mini leagues only, friends, because if you play the head to head matches and if you lose any change from opponent team, one player will be changed and you will lose the amount. If you play the Grand League, so that you will get at least your money back if the team is very good, so that you can get profit money also. So my tip is to play only Grand Leagues, mini leagues like 36 league, 39 league, Grand Leagues, and there is a comeback leagues also, 45 49 leagues. And if you people are losing matches, and there will be a one comeback contest like 40 rupees, there will be 1,000 members, and till 575 people will get 40 rupees amount, and if you get first prize, so you will get 2,000. So if there is a 40 rupees league, so please go through that league only. It's a very good league so that you can get profit. So many my friends got 500s and 250s also. And play the different fantasy apps like Player Spot and Ballebaji, so that you can lot of amount also, because Dream 11 has a heavy competition. And play fantasy leagues and like as I said, Player Sports and Ballebaji also. Friends, if please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel, and please support me. Thank you.